everyone, welcome back to the Chill English channel. Today's episode is very special because it's about learning English in a completely new way.
Yes, today we're talking about how to learn English the new way with AI and modern life.
For many years, learning English meant books, grammar rules, long classes, and lots of memorization.
And for many learners, that way felt slow, boring, and stressful. They studied a lot but still felt shy or afraid to speak.
Exactly. Many people know grammar, but when it's time to talk, their mind goes blank.
But today, life is different. Technology has changed everything, including how we learn languages.
And one of the biggest changes is AI. AI is not just for experts or tech people anymore. It's for learners like you.
AI can help you practice English every day, at any time, without pressure or embarrassment.
You can speak, write, ask questions, repeat sentences, and make mistakes, all safely.
And that's very important, because fear is one of the biggest enemies of speaking English.
When fear disappears, confidence starts to grow, and confidence is the key to fluency.
The new way of learning English is not about studying more hours. It's about using English in real life.
Yes, English should be part of your daily routine, not something separate from your life.
For example, you can learn English while watching short videos, listening to podcasts, chatting online, or even thinking about your day.
Modern English learning is about exposure. The more English you see and hear, the more natural it feels.
And AI helps you control that exposure. You can choose your level, your topics, and your goals.
You can ask AI to explain things simply, like you're a beginner, or more deeply if you're advanced.
Instead of memorizing long word lists, you can practice small conversations that match real life.
For example, ordering food, talking about work, sharing opinions, or explaining your feelings.
This helps your brain connect English with meaning, not translation.
Another important idea in modern learning is short practice. You don't need long study sessions.
5 to 10 minutes a day is enough if you practice consistently.
Short daily practice helps your brain remember better and reduces stress.
And this fits perfectly with modern life. People are busy, tired, and distracted.
The new way respects that. It works with your life, not against it.
AI also helps you stay motivated. You can practice topics you enjoy: movies, work, technology, travel, or daily conversations.
When learning feels useful and personal, you naturally want to continue.
Another big change is feedback. With AI, you can get instant help and corrections.
You don't have to wait days or weeks to know if you're right or wrong.
And you can practice speaking without worrying about accents or mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. The new way accepts mistakes and uses them to improve.
English today is not just a school subject. It's a tool for life, work, confidence, and connection.
And with AI and modern tools, learning English becomes faster, easier, and more natural.
Next, we'll talk about exact daily habits, simple AI routines, and how to practice English without feeling tired or bored.
We'll also show you how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English.
Let's go.
So now that we understand why the new way of learning English works better, let's talk about how to actually use it in daily life.
Yes, because ideas are great, but habits are what change your English.
Exactly. The modern way is not about big plans. It's about small actions that fit naturally into your day.
One of the easiest habits is using AI as a daily English partner.
You don't need a teacher every time. You don't need to wait for class.
You can ask AI to chat with you in simple English about your day.
For example, you can say, "Ask me 3 simple questions about my morning."
Then you answer out loud, not just in your head.
Speaking out loud is very important. Your brain and mouth must work together.
Even 1 or 2 minutes of speaking makes a big difference.
Another powerful habit is micro-learning.
Micro-learning means learning very small things many times.
Like one phrase, one sentence, or one idea.
For example, today's phrase could be, "I'm getting used to it."
You repeat it, use it, and think about it during the day.
This is much better than memorizing 50 words and forgetting them.
AI can help here too. You can ask it to give you one useful phrase every day.
Or ask it to explain one sentence in very simple English.
Modern English learning is also about context.
Words are easier to remember when they're connected to real situations.
That's why learning English through modern life works so well.
You can describe what you're doing right now in English.
I'm opening my laptop. I'm checking my messages. I'm making tea.
This trains your brain to think directly in English.
No translation, just simple thoughts.
At first, it feels slow. That's normal.
But over time, your brain becomes faster and more confident.
Another important habit is using English for things you already enjoy.
If you like videos, watch short English videos.
If you like music, read the lyrics and sing along.
If you like technology, follow English pages or creators online.
AI can even help you turn your interests into learning material.
You can say, "Explain this topic to me in simple English."
Or create a short conversation about this topic.
This makes learning feel personal and useful.
And when learning feels useful, you don't quit.
Let's also talk about mistakes.
Yes, this is very important.
In the new way, mistakes are not problems, they are signals.
They show you where to grow.
With AI, you can make mistakes without fear.
No judgment, no embarrassment, just practice.
You can ask, "Please correct my sentence and explain simply."
This kind of feedback helps you improve faster.
Another modern habit is repetition with variation.
That means repeating ideas, but in slightly different ways.
For example, "I'm tired today."
Then, I feel tired. I didn't sleep well.
This builds flexibility in your English.
And flexibility is a big part of fluency.
One more key habit is consistency over motivation.
Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay.
Even on busy or bad days, do something small in English.
One sentence, one question, 1 minute.
Your brain remembers what you repeat daily.
And modern life makes this easier than ever.
Your phone, your computer, your apps, they can all support your English.
Change your phone language. Write short notes in English.
Ask AI to remind you with simple English messages.
Slowly, English becomes part of your normal thinking. Not something special, not something scary.
Just another way you express yourself.
And when that happens, learning feels lighter.
More natural, more human.
This is the power of learning English with AI and modern life.
It adapts to you, not the other way around. At this stage of your learning journey, something very important begins to shift inside you. English stops feeling like a heavy task, and it slowly becomes something you use.
Yes, and this change is not loud or dramatic. It happens quietly, little by little.
Many learners believe fluency appears when they finally know enough grammar or vocabulary.
But in reality, fluency grows when you feel comfortable using what you already know.
Comfort comes from repetition, from daily contact, and from removing fear.
And this is exactly where the new way of learning English shines.
When you use AI and modern tools, English becomes less stressful and more friendly.
You are no longer waiting for permission to speak.
You speak because you want to express something, even if it's simple.
This is how confidence is built, not from perfection, but from action.
Every time you speak English, your brain learns faster.
It starts to predict words, patterns, and sounds.
You don't think as much, you just respond.
And responding is the heart of communication.
Another powerful part of the modern approach is acceptance.
Acceptance of your level, your accent, and your speed.
English today is a global language.
Millions of people speak it differently, and that's normal.
Your accent does not block communication. Fear does.
And when fear goes away, your voice becomes stronger.
AI helps here by giving you a safe place to practice.
You can repeat sentences many times without pressure.
You can ask the same question again and again.
No one gets tired, no one judges.
This freedom allows you to experiment.
And experimentation is how real learning happens.
Let's talk about awareness.
Awareness means noticing progress, even small progress.
Modern learners often focus only on what they cannot do.
But the new way teaches you to notice what has improved.
Maybe today you understood a sentence faster.
Maybe you spoke without translating first.
Maybe you felt less nervous.
These moments matter more than you think.
They change how you see yourself as a learner.
You stop thinking, English is hard for me.
And you start thinking, I'm getting better.
This mindset keeps you moving forward.
Another key idea is identity.
You're not just someone studying English anymore,
You are someone who uses English as part of life.
even if it's only 5 minutes a day.
That identity changes your behavior naturally.
You look for chances to use English.
You listen more carefully.
You speak more freely.
AI supports this by being always present.
It fits into your schedule, not the other way around.
Late night, early morning, busy day, English is still there.
This consistency is more powerful than motivation,
Motivation comes and goes.
but habits stay.
Even on difficult days, you can do something small.
One sentence, one thought, one response.
Over time, these small actions change your brain.
You begin to think in English without trying.
You feel more relaxed when speaking.
You stop searching for perfect words.
And that's when English becomes natural.
Not perfect, but real.
The new way of learning English respects you as a human being.
It understands your life, your stress, and your limits.
It uses technology to support you, not control you.
And when you combine AI, modern life, and daily practice, growth is inevitable.
You don't need talent.
You don't need special skills.
You only need consistency and courage.
Courage to speak before you feel ready.
Because readiness comes after action, not before.
This is how English slowly becomes yours.
Thank you for being with us on the Chill English channel today.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone who feels stuck in English.
And tell us in the comments how you're learning English in your daily life.
We love hearing your stories.
Keep using English.
Keep trusting the process.
And remember, progress is happening even when you don't notice it.